Chief, can you tell our viewers gaano na po kayo katagal dito sa PAO and paano nga ho ba napunta ang isang attorney Persida Acosta sa Public Attorney's Office?
Way back 1990, lumabas ang bar, di ba? Branch Clerk of Court ako noon, ni Judge Lucas Bersamin, naging Chief Justice, and then naging Executive Secretary.
Yes.
Sabi ko kay Justice Bersamin, Judge pa noon, gusto ko pong mag-PAO. Ang sabi niya, hindi kita pipigilan. Kasi pag branch clerk ka, tatanda ka na lang branch clerk dito. So, go ahead. So, after 6 months, nag-public attorney ako sa Manila. That was August 1990 hanggang 1993. Umalis ako because I was asked by my family na ipaglaban yung kaso ng kapatid kong namatay. So, pati yung mga kaso ng mga kamag-anak, and I joined Crusade Against Violence with a group of Mr. Lauro Visconde, dahil yung Visconde Massacre, Vinculado Massacre, Cadante Jimenez. So, from 1993, August din, until 2001, I received a call from Secretary Nani Perez. You're my handpick, PAO chief ka na. Pagpunta ko ng DOJ, sabi ko, PAO chief na raw ako. Sabi niya, no, don't start yet. The current PAO chief took a leave for 1 month. After 1 month ka pa makapunta sa PAO, dito ka muna. So, 1 month ako sa DOJ, walang sweldo. Until such time, February 23, 2001, 23 years ago, at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, nandito ako sa conference room na to.